Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Sonic Adventure 2 on Android devices. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to get this classic game running on your phone or tablet. We'll cover everything from selecting the right tools to optimizing your gameplay experience. It's a straightforward process that brings a beloved title to your mobile screen, offering hours of fun on the go. Choosing the correct emulator is your first crucial step. For Sonic Adventure 2, you'll want an emulator that supports either GameCube or Dreamcast titles. Dolphin Emulator is widely recommended for its robust performance and compatibility across various Android devices. Always review the emulator's specific system requirements to ensure your device can handle it, aiming for at least 4 GB of RAM for optimal play. Next, you'll need the game's digital file. It's important to legally obtain this file, often referred to as a ROM, from a game disk you already own. These files can be quite large, usually requiring several gigabytes of free storage on your Android device. Verify that the file format, such as an ISO or GDI, is compatible with the emulator you've selected to avoid any issues during loading. With your emulator and game file ready, it's time for setup. Open your emulator, load the game file, and then dive into the settings. You can configure on-screen touch controls, but for the best experience, consider connecting an external Bluetooth gamepad. Don't hesitate to experiment with graphics and audio settings. Finding the right balance will ensure smooth gameplay, often at 60 frames per second, and a visually pleasing adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.